So the total mileage is like, without the deadhead, it's like 21 miles, and I'm getting $10 a mile. So y'all, we are gonna see how this trip goes. Such a quiet night out here. Morning again, y'all. So I just finished my last stop in Forest Park, Georgia. So I went from East Point, the Amazon facility, to the East Point post office, and then I went to an Amazon facility. To another USPS in Forest Park. So now I'm about to park my truck, and then I will see you all in the recap. What's going on, y'all? So welcome to the recap video. All right, let me turn this fan off first. All right, y'all, so today we went to ATL 6 for a pickup, and we dropped off over at East Point, and then we dropped off at Forest Park. So we had a total mileage of, not a total mileage, the trip without the deadhead was 21.4 miles, and we got paid a total of $10.72 a mile, with a total payout of $229.14. So we're gonna add in some deadhead now. So if we add in the deadhead from my truck to the Amazon facility, we're gonna get a total of 12 miles, and then we're gonna add in the deadhead from the last stop back to my truck parking, which was about 6 miles. So I have a truck mileage app. So all in all, my whole mileage was 37.2 miles. So we're gonna just divide my total payout, which was $229.14, divided by my total mileage, which is gonna be 37.2, which gave us a mileage rate of $6.15 per mile, which is amazing, y'all. So that was our trip today, a really quick trip. And yeah, so we have another one tonight that is going to be going from Jefferson to Covington, Georgia, just one stop. So stay tuned, and I'll vlog that one too. But until then, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.